Hey everybody, okay, I'm going to take a couple minutes here and go over morning work and the daily practice packet for day 2 of week 1. Remember, we're taking it easy right now. We are only on week 1, day 2. Today is Monday, March 23rd. Okay, so you're going to need your morning work and also have your daily practice packet out. Again, we're going to go over day 2, okay? Here we go. So I'm going to zoom that in, make that nice and big for everybody. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Okay, don't forget, guys, I'm looking for work on your paper, even though I am not specifically there checking your paper. Okay, here we go. Day 2. Thad. Again, don't get caught up on names, guys. That's crazy. Thad ran a total of 21 miles in 1 week. Each day, he ran the same number of miles. How many miles did he run each day? Okay, people, you know what I'm looking for right now. C-U-B-E-S. Cubes, again, for review. C stands for circle the number. U, underline the question. B, box the math action words. E, evaluate and eliminate information. And S, solve, show your work. Here we go. C, I need to circle my numbers. So I know we have 21 miles in 1 week. Now, you didn't really tell us exactly another number there, but we know we have to look at that week, okay? We're going to underline the question, how many miles did he run each day? So that's going to help us get our extra number here, guys. 1 week is how many days? It's 7. Okay? Box our math action words each day, so we need to divide that up because we aren't looking for the total. We already have the total. Evaluate our steps and write out our work. Divided by 7 equals, and solve 3 miles a day. Nice job for him, Thad. 3 miles a day, guys. Number 2, Mrs. Buckingham doesn't really run that much. Here we go. Complete the related multiplication facts. 12 divided by 2 is in the fact family of 2 times 6. 8 divided by 2 is in the fact family of 2 times 4. Nice job, guys. 25 divided by 5. 5. 50 divided by 5. 10. 35 divided by 5. These are just math facts, guys. You just gotta know it. Remember, when you have a division problem, don't get caught up on trying to do the division in your head. Sometimes if you just think about this backwards, this number, so it would be what times this number equals this number. So just kind of turn that around, guys, but make this a question mark. What times that equals that? Here we go. The park has 6 swing sets. Each swing set has 4 swings. How many swing sets are at the park in all? Okay, circling our numbers, underlining our question, boxing our math action word, showing us that we need to look for a total, how many swings. So we need to multiply it, evaluating our steps. 6 times 4. Let's solve our work. 24 swings. You guys know I love a good label on your morning work. On any math problem, really. All right, there's that for that. If you have that for that, guys, how's that? Yeah, that's a lot of that. If you have any questions on any of those problems, shoot me an email, send me a message, and I'll be happy to conference with you and figure that out. Okay, don't forget, our directions on our morning work word problems told us to make a table or a chart to help us solve the problem. Okay, so Sasha has a pack of 24 lemon lime candies. For every yellow candy, the pack has 3 green candies. How many yellow candies and green candies are in the pack? So guys, I have to tell you, this is an interesting one in order to use cubes. So since we're making a chart here, let's just try to chart that information instead of jumping right into cubes, okay? So I know that I have a whole entire pack of 24, okay? And I know for every, meaning for every one yellow candy, the pack has 3 green candies. So I'm going to draw myself a little picture here. I'm imagining these candies to be square for some reason. Maybe like those little tiny mini Starburst things. Those are really good. Okay, so I'm going to say that is a yellow one. Okay, and then this has, because I have 1 yellow, I also have to have 3 greens. 1, 2, 3. That's going to be green, 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 right? That's 4 pieces. Yellow. There's 1 yellow, so now I'm going to have 3 greens. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. Did I say 3 pieces a minute ago? I'm not really sure. I'm losing my mind a little bit, I think. Saying a lot. 1 yellow, 3 green. You want to keep going till you have 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to do this nice big long one. Since 12 is half of 24, I'm going to assume that I have to make the same exact size of a train directly below. 1 yellow, green, green, green. Oops, going too fast. 1 yellow, green, green, green. 1 yellow, green, green, green. All right, here we go. The question actually asks us how many yellow candies and green candies are in the pack. So let's neatly make ourselves a spot to put our answer. Yellow and also green. You always want to make sure that you are clear about how you are labeling your answers and putting work on your paper. That way whoever's looking at it knows exactly what they're looking at and where to find the information that they need. So we are going to count right now how many yellow candies appear in our chart that we made down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I have 6 yellow candies. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 green candies. And if you wanted to just double check and make sure you had that exactly right, the green and the yellow added together should add up to 24 candies. And so let's just double check that. So 6 plus 8 is 14. Put our 4, carry our 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 24 candies. It checks out, guys. That's all set. Okay, so let's take a look at day 2. Oh, hold on. Let's get our checklist. Check that off. Bing, bing. Alrighty, guys. Here we go. These questions were not that awfully difficult either. I realized when I was taking a look over this before I started the video. So I'm really going to kind of just zip right through them because I think you guys are totally going to be fine doing these. Alexis reads 63 pages of a book in 7 days. She reads an equal number of pages each day. The equation below can be used to find the total number of pages she read each day. 63 divided by 7 equals what? What is the total number of pages Alexis read each day? Okay. Typical problem here. We're going to circle our numbers. We have 63, and they snuck in that other number right there because they put it in word form, so don't get tricked on that, okay? Underline the question. We actually are trying to figure out what is the total number of pages Alexis read each day, okay? Box those math action words. Equal number of pages each day, okay? When you're talking about things going into equal sets or equal groups or equal numbers, we are dividing that up, okay? Evaluating our steps, which we've already done. Now we need to solve, okay? This was kind of nice because they already did all that work for us, but it's always good to make sure that you get the same answer, okay? 63 divided by 7. Are you shouting it out at the TV yet, guys? All right, it is B. Here we go. Just a vocabulary word that's catching my attention right now, equation. Okay, equation means a math sentence with an equal sign. And the reason why I just brought my attention back up to that equation is because down here is expression, and that's the other form of a math sentence. So your equation has an equal sign. Your expression is the math fact without the equal sign. It's just the way that it's written. Good to know. Which expression has the same value as 8 times 5 plus 8 times 3? Kind of new, not really. We don't really do too much with parentheses in third grade, but it is not a difficult concept. What the parentheses are telling us is that we have to do what's inside of these before we do what's on the outside of them. So we would do this first. 8 times 5 equals 40. We're going to bring that right straight down. And then we're going to do this. 8 times 3, 24. 40 plus 24 equals 64. Oh, but notice we have something interesting over here. We want to find out which one of these has the same value as this. So this value is 64. So we have to solve all of these. 8 times 8 equals 64. You guys know me. Go shopping to all of the stores. Guys, have I told you how to do 8 times 15? Not totally. Just a thought. 15 can be broken down into 10 and 5, 10 plus 5. So if we do 8 times 10 and we do 8 times 5, we can easily find out the answer. Okay, doesn't match up. Obviously this matches, but don't stop there. You want to be sure nothing else has snuck in. Okay, 16 plus 8, 24. 13 plus 11, 24. Okay, obviously A. Okay, Alex sorted 20 toy cars into 4 groups with the same number of cars in each group. Which expression represents the number of toy cars in each group? Expression. So Alex, okay, here we go, guys. Circle our numbers, underline our question, box our math action words. I'm going to go with same number of cars in each group. Evaluate. There we go. Solve. We don't need to have the actual answer here. This is actually our answer because we need the expression, right? See? All right, guys, that's that. Have any questions? Comment below, send me an email, do what you need to do. I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.